how to make 3D phone message notification effect in DaVinci Resolve. So, to achieve this effect, first we need to create those messages. Since we have an iPhone, obviously we need an Apple message notification. And I don't want to waste your time by creating it by myself, so I searched randomly on internet for such a template. This is not a paid promotion, but I found out that jitter.com offers really nice animation for free. I choose the notification template and it will load in different page. Click duplicate to edit, so it will make a copy of the editable version of this template. You see that the initial video duration is 3 seconds long. I'll extend it to 6 seconds, just in case, and adjust end animation. Change the name and the text. Double click the outer limit so you can adjust the frame, and then double click the gray message background to extend if it's necessary. Click export so it will generate .mp4 file with your changes and download it. I will speed up the process for the other two messages. Let's rename the video so I know what order they should follow. Let's go to DaVinci Resolve now. Drag and drop the photo of my iPhone. And I will adjust the image to make space for the messages. Once you're ready with the adjustment in the Edit tab, create new Fusion composition. It will keep your settings so far and transfer to the Fusion tab. So I will add 3 merge nodes for the messages and 1 for phone mask for now. Let's add messages and rename node names to stay organized. Connect the first message to the first merge node, press Shift plus space and add transform only node because we need to crop it from all sides. Adjust edge rounding to match the gray background of the messages. Now add drop shadow and glow nodes. Adjust the glow strength as you wish. Now add DVE node so we can make the messages to change the 3D perspective. Adjust the size from the transform node, but the position change from DVE node. Play with all X, Y, Z and perspective option to achieve the desired position. Fix the drop shadow angle to be from the bottom left side. I think I need to align the message with the side of the iPhone. Let's animate the pop-up starting from the phone, which will be masked and move like 90 degrees toward the outside. Connect to the second merge node and copy all nodes for the next message. Let's not forget the naming. We need to fix the crop because still has a little from the black background. Also the size, it looks very large. Animate the position. I will offset the second message a little to the top left corner of the iPhone so it looks more like Apple style. Again, I will aim movement to be around 90 degrees. Now let's adjust the position of the first message so it moves at the same time the second message appears. Great! Now connect third message to the merge node. Copy all nodes from the second message and connect them with the third one. Again, need to fix the crop. Align the third message with the first one because it's sent from the same person. Now, when the message appears, we need to push the previous ones up. Open the spline editor and smooth animation with the simple Alt+S keys. Now copy the iPhone image and paste for the fourth node. We'll mask the iPhone so messages will be hidden before animation. Use polygon or rectangular for mask shape. Now we are done with the messages and I will group them. Shift plus space and choose underlay. It helped me organize what I did. So now let's start with the message reflections on the screen. Add 3 merge nodes. Copy the first message with connected nodes and connect to the merge node. Select transform node and click flip vertical. Use the DV node to make the messages look flat. Remove drop shadow and glow nodes because we don't need in the reflections. Add the Gaussian blur node and reduce the blend to 0.4. Now we need to animate the movement. Must be same as the first message so they appear at the same time. Start from outside the phone towards the display. Now add phone mask in order only display to be visible. Now duplicate the second message. Copy nodes from the first reflection and connect to the merge node. Fix the size. Reset animation. Adjust the crop. Offset the position and align it with the second message. Add animation for both reflections. And add copy-paste mask from the first reflection. Now copy third message and nodes from the first reflection. Fix the crop and size. Adjust blend again to be 0.4. Add animation to all reflections to match messages when they appear. Now I need to adjust the soft edge to blur a little when the first message goes out from the display. Copy and paste the same font mask to all reflections. Let's not forget naming. Go to Spline Editor and Smooth Animation with Alt+S. And voila! Now we have nice 3D message animation.